back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. So we are still on passing chord series, okay? Applying a particular passing chord to the 4 chords. Alright, let's check what I'm doing, then we will apply it in a particular song that we know. Okay, so let's dive in. I'm doing this for the first chord. So most of you have been saying that I should use so fast notation. So nowadays all my videos I use so fast notation for it. Okay, so let's go. I'm playing the la and the mi on the left. La mi, okay, 6 3. Then the right hand I'm doing this. I'm doing the so do mi, so do mi. Okay, this is the first chord I'm doing. Then alright, left hand is, let me check if every hand is coming. Okay, every hand is coming. So left hand is doing the re, the la, and the do. Right hand is doing the fi, the la, the do, and the mi. Okay, first chord, second chord, then we do this. Alright, I'm doing the so, the re, and the fa on the left. So, re, fa. Then right hand I'm doing the la, the to, the re, and the fa. Okay, so you know we have learned 3 chords now. Then here, alright, so let's check the chord, then I'll chip in the grace note I did. Okay, alright, so we have, I don't know if it's showing, I think part of it is not showing, but what I'm holding down is the do, the so, and the to on the left. Then right hand I'm doing this, I'm doing mi, so, and the do. Alright, but just that when I'm playing the do, okay, I do this. Alright, so that is so la so, okay, in the middle, but I'm holding the chord down, all of the chord. Okay, so you'll be like this. Then so here you flip from the so to the la, or you can go straight to the fa chord. Okay, so you'll be like this. That is the passing chord we are looking at. So let's check the application. So I love you, Lord. We know that from the 1 we are moving to the fa. Okay, so here is the trick. You have to play it fast. Okay, otherwise you might miss the timing. I love you, Lord. No mercy never fails me all my days. So basically, I don't want to treat the whole particular song, okay? I just wanted to show you that particular passing chord. I'm going to do another video, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. Bye.